Hi friends, this is Shambhavi. Welcome to Kara Sweet. It's too yummy to fill your tummy. Here it is, the breakfast series from Mom's Cooking in Kara Sweet. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed or are new to my channel, do subscribe now and do click the bell icon so that you will be notified of our upcoming videos. Come, let us know how to make puffy and crispy puri all the time with tomato chana curry. For that you require diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, curry leaves, jeera, urad dal and chana dal, mustard seeds and oil, and along with that grated ginger. You need to soak the chana or chickpea in water beforehand. Usually everyone would soak it in cold water, but even after 6 to 7 hours when you keep it for whistles, it wouldn't get soft. So our bonus tip for you all is soak chana in hot water for just 3 hours and keep it for 2 whistles in cooker for it to become soft like this, and keep potatoes in cooker for 2 whistles for it to become soft. This curry's taste maker base is spicy ground masala paste. I've already done a video on this and uploaded in my channel. You can click the link in the description if you haven't watched it. Do as said earlier in this video and keep them aside. Now let us see how to make the dough for making crispy and puffy puri all the time. For that you require 2 cups of wheat flour or 1 by 3 kg of wheat flour, salt to taste, and 200 to 220 ml of water. Do not add the water all at once. Just keep adding side by side so that the entire flour is moist, and it would be dry moist. In fact, it wouldn't be completely moist nor completely dry. You need to add a bit of oil in this stage and bring all the flour together. Knead the dough like this up to this stage. You can do this in any comfortable direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise, front to back, but see to that no air blocks are left in the dough. Tap the dough against the white vessel taken, and at this stage you can apply a bit of oil to the flour so that it wouldn't dry. But the final consistency of the flour should be very stiff or tightened. This only helps the puri to come out puffy and crispy like this. Now keep this covered in a vessel for 15 minutes so that it would be ready. In this 15 minutes we shall prepare the curry. Heat the oil in a pan. After it's heated, add mustard seeds and allow it to squirt. Once done, add urad dal and chana dal. Let this turn golden brown. Don't add jeera before that. Once it turns golden brown, you can add jeera, onions, curry leaves, and mix it until it turns soft. After that, add garlic, tomatoes, and let this also turn soft. Then add the spicy ground masala paste, grated ginger, cooked or boiled potatoes, chickpea, and mix it thoroughly until all the ingredients blend very well. As the spicy ground masala paste contains all sorts of taste, salt, tamarind, jaggery, coconut, you need to add all those. And finally add coriander leaves, hing, mix it very well until all is boiled and blend very nicely, and this completes our curry. A bonus tip for you all again. Before rolling the puri dough into white circles, first keep a pan on stove for deep frying. Pour oil and allow it to heat it completely. This helps to save time, and the white circles can be put into oil directly and it wouldn't dry. Take the puri dough and make small round balls. Next, flatten it into white circles with the help of rolling pin. Now that the oil is in correct temperature, as soon as you put the widened circles of puri dough, it would puff up immediately as shown here. So this is one of the best and easiest method. And now our breakfast is ready. Do serve it hot with the tomato chana curry. Do await our next video on spicy mushroom fried rice. I hope you all liked the video and would definitely give it a try. And for more such unique and informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.